All right, today I have a Kia Telluride, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the hazard lights. They're also called the hazard flashers, or just the flashers, or just the hazards, or your blinkers. I'm going to show you how to turn them on and off. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of a Kia Telluride, and I'm going to turn on the hazard flashers, blinkers, flashers, lights, whatever you want to call them, hazards. All right, and what you'll do is, I'm sitting in the vehicle behind the steering wheel. I'm going to look towards the center console. And at the center console, you see this right here, this button right here? It is the hazard flashers button right here. It's in the form of a triangle. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to press that. And when I press that, you look up on the instrument panel, you see that there's a left and right turn signal going on. And that is indicative that the hazard flashers, the hazard lights, the hazards, the blinkers, the flashers are on, okay? So they're on right now. They're on. The hazards are on. Now to turn them off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back towards the center, and I'm going to press this, and look right there. The hazards are now off. And that is how you turn on and off the hazards, flashers, blinkers, hazard flashers, hazard blinkers in a Kia Telluride. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.